Oh, man, this rucksack is just so heavy. I wish I was like one of those ultralighter dudes. Well, hey, I bet you wish you were a bit like me. Well, yeah, I do wish. This is all you need. How much does that rucksack weigh? About 2 kilograms, I suppose.
2
just
kilograms?
the rucksack.
What?
Can you give me some tips? Stick with me, boy. You will be an ultralighter. Well, sure.
Everyone needs to brush their teeth, but at 10 grams, maybe even 12 grams, that's not acceptable. How can you help us, Captain Ultralighter? That's right. The minimum amount of toothbrush will make it absolutely nothing. 0 grams. When searching for a seat, don't be silly. Now we're talking. The most important part of the Ultralighter's kit is, of course, the scales. Now, let's check out this rucksack. Say what? That's ridiculous. Get rid of that. What you need is one of these. That's more like it. Instead of taking a normal towel, which is way too heavy, try one of these. Let's check out the tent. What? 1.7 kilos? That just will not do.
Right, we're back out again. It's time to evaluate your kit. So chuck me that rucksack. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got in here. What's this? First aid supplies. This must be at least 100 grams. I see you've remembered your scales. 250 grams. Have I taught you nothing? That can definitely go. Chuck that straight away. Good ground mat there. Perfect size. And I see you've ditched the tent. Excellent. That is the perfect regulation size toothbrush. But hang on a second. A full bottle of water? Are you mad? Tip half of this away right now. That's at least 500 grams worth. Ah, now then. Count the squares. 4? Everyone knows it's 2 squares only. Now it's come time to set up camp. Let's see what you've got. So we've got this ground mat. Like so. Don't forget the bug protection for when you're going to sleep. And that's it. You just curl up like this. There we go. Final thoughts from Captain Ultralighter. Traditional rucksacks, no good. If it's more than 100 grams for any one piece of kit, get rid of it. This is all you need. It's physically impossible for the human body to sustain more than 4 kilograms for any length of time. Bring the minimum amount of sitting gear necessary. If it's not necessary, chuck it out. No more than 2 squares of bog roll. Your tent should consist of a ground mat. Your tent should consist of a ground mat and mesh head net. That's it. Any more? I don't want to know. Remember to bring your scales and backup scales for constant. I've lost it now. Remember to bring your scales and backup scales for constant weigh of kit. You do not want it to go above 100 grams at any given point. Water? Get rid of it. Too heavy. A shout out to Geraint for this idea. That's Captain Ultralighter signing off. And remember, settle for less. Let me know in the comments if you think I've packed too heavily for this video, because I'd like to reduce it by another 100 grams. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time. Hang on, how much does that coat weigh? Blinkin' heck. What? Get rid of it.